Hey guys, in this workflow, I'll show you how to transform a simple architectural sketch into a photorealistic render, and then into a seamless day-to-night video, all while using Vondy and while keeping full control over proportions, geometry, and design intent. So let's go back to the beginning so that I can walk you through the whole process. And what you need to do first is upload a sketch of a building and a mood board of the look and feel and of the style that you would like to implement in the render of this sketch. I used the prompt, turn the sketch of this building to a render in a modern and minimalistic style with curved organic shapes. Then the first results that came out were not exactly what I had imagined, but that's totally okay. So what I did is I went ahead and just changed the model. So in this case, I switched to Google's Nano Banana in order to see how the results are going to change. And I can just walk you through the whole process of the results. These are the ones with Nano Banana. And then I went ahead and switched to Nano Banana Pro. Then the results were really solid. As you can see, everything looks very realistic and exactly the way I had imagined. And to be honest, this one was my favorite. But as you can see, there's some uneven textures on the flooring in some of the images. So I wanted to go ahead and show you how to fix those. So I took this image and added it to the prompt. And what I did is, again, I chose Nano Banana Pro. And I wrote, make every part of the ground in the same material and texture. I also wrote to use a light beige concrete. And the more detailed you are, the more accurate the results are going to be. And as you can see from this image, I generated this one with a very smooth and even flooring. And then there's also this one with the shadows of the trees, which I personally like most. So I decided to proceed with this image in order to create the nighttime view. The prompt that I wrote is to create an evening render and always keep all the shapes and geometries exactly the same, only change the lighting, but also don't make it too dark, and the building and the surroundings should be very well lit. And the results that I got, again with Nano Banana Pro, were these ones, which are very nice, and they're a solid base for the video that I wanted to generate, which was the transformation from the daytime render to the nighttime render. And I went ahead and tried a couple of different video models to see which one fits best for this use case. The transition here was a bit abrupt, so yeah, I just kept trying with different models. And these two last videos are the best in my opinion, and they were done with Seedance Pro. So as you can see, this workflow shows how Vondy can be used not just as a shortcut, but also as a design tool. So from a single sketch, you can test different styles, refine materials, and communicate the atmosphere through motion, all without rebuilding the whole model from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this workflow inspires you to explore new ways of turning ideas into compelling architectural visuals.